Morning. This is my first makeup tutorial video. I am a working mom of 3, home on quarantine, so I decided that I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to do your makeup if you don't have any experience or you just want something, just to look nice while, going out. Some people are clueless, so okay. I have This is the primer, Dr. Brandt. Can you see it? There you go. So you can use this for a primer. As you see, I have a lot of blemishes. I did put a moisturizer on before I started. I'm actually doing a color retouch. I'm a hairstylist, so I'm doing a tutorial after this on how to do a root touch up for my clients. I'm making them little kits. So I have some. This is Bye Bye Under Eye. This is It Cosmetics, so I'm going to use the side that says concealer. Doing this first. So I'm doing all under here. I'll do the tops too. And I'm going to do a little blending. I think this light's a little bright. I don't know. Let me see. Adjust my mirror. Woo! Okay. As you see here, I was tweezing my eyebrows and my skin is getting a little looser. I'm 37. I was able to pinch a little bit of skin. Wonderful. So I did it on my eyes. I'm not looking for amazing coverage. I'm just looking for, everyday wear. So this is a Tarte foundation concealer. It's a little sample I got. I'm trying it. So I'm using it on that little blemish there. I don't know how little it is, but now I am a hairstylist. I'm not a professional makeup artist, although I did learn it in school. But I do like makeup. I probably don't do it like other people on these YouTube channels. I'm just a real person just trying to show some people how to do something. This is Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm going to put this all over. And I'm just using a sponge. I'm just going to go do. You have to make the doot sounds when you're putting it on for some reason. I don't know why. Okay. So you have the concealer, the under eye, the primer. And I did put a good moisturizer on before I started. I don't know if I said that already, but I figured I would get a video in showing some makeup. Okay. Normally I might do a little powder, but I didn't bring it out here with me, so I'm like, we don't need powder. I also have, so whatever you do, don't go on to Nordstrom Rack because, well, maybe you should. It's very addicting. So I got this. It comes with this mascara. The mascara I'm not a big fan of, but I don't know. I don't really like it that much. But this is good for a little bit more coverage. I'm just going to dot it on there, use my finger to get a little bit more coverage on those blemishes. Now you want to use moisturizer because if you don't, then it's going to look dry and scabby. Okay. That's better. Okay. So I did the foundation under here, okay. Now I'm going to use, this is Estee Lauder. It is, let's see, this is called Bronze Goddess. Oh yeah, that's me, all right. I'm just gonna put some on just to kind of get my, because I don't want to look like a super white face with a tanner. Not that I'm super tan, but it is Florida, and I am on quarantine, so I have been outside. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Did that. See? Now I have a little glow. Now this is meant to be everyday wear. I'm not wearing heavy makeup. I don't like to wear a lot of makeup. And all these videos show you like insane amount of makeup that people wear. So I don't want to do that. So I have Glow Minerals. It's like a magazine. See? What is it? Glow Minerals. It's so I'm gonna put on probably like this one. I don't want to go crazy. No crazy. Okay. Just to give myself. See, that's when I see these videos. A lot of people are putting on all their eye makeup first. But I don't do that. I like to do this first. Put a little bit up here, a little bit on the jawline. Okay. Let's see. And this stupid mirror. It's very annoying. Okay. I have to be fast because my other video, I couldn't even post it because it was too long. And I don't know how to edit. So, this is Glow Minerals. This is a pencil. It is, holding my finger on the, where is it? I think I'm holding it upside down. Oh, there we go. And it's, is it blurry? Brown. It's brown. That's it. So, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows because I have pretty decent eyebrows. I just want them to look more defined, but without looking crazy. I hate that look of those girls that have that tattooed eyebrow look or painted on or they draw on one. Okay, just filling it in, making it look nice. Not too much. I like coloring mine too, making them a little darker. See? Look at that. Oh, over here this time. Oh, it's terrible. I gotta stop tweezing. And then I put on my eyeliner. Now, eyeliner, I don't even know what this is because it doesn't even have the brand on it anymore. It rubbed off. So, I just go right along, just on the top on the lash line. And you don't have to use black. Just enough. You can do on the bottom if you want, maybe in the corners, but that's all I'm doing. I don't do like people do lines. I'm sorry, but that's too much. So I'm gonna do. This is Tarte Toasted. It's really pretty because I have lighter eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I have a bigger brush. I'm just gonna go probably. Let's see. I'm gonna do like a lighter shade, probably like one of these. I'll do the sparkly one. Why not? And you can do a primer too. The primer that I use for eyelids, I do have one. I just used a little concealer on them, and I thought that should be sufficient. Kind of go do do do. We gotta make the sound. Doot, 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 doot. Okay. Just a lighter color. You don't have to do the bottom really, but okay. A little bit of sparkle. I hope that this lighting, I don't know about, but we'll see. And then I'm going to do, let's see. Oh, hold on. Cashmere right here on the lower lid. Okay. I'm just going to go in here. And right here. This is pretty simple. You can do it pretty quick. The reason why it's probably taking me a little bit longer is because I'm so chatty. I had to move my mouse. My screen was getting dim. I bring it up a little tiny bit. You're probably going to blend that later anyway. Let's see. Okay. My hair's a mess because I'm going to do I probably said this 100 times, but I'm doing a color retouch on my hair for my clients. I made them little kits. And they're going to come up to my work. I'm going to do, let's see, which one? I'm going to do Flame. Flame. So you're just going to dab it in a little bit. And I'm going to go in the crease like that. And then in the corner. Other side. I'm dabbing it in first. You can do some translucent powder under the eye area. Like loosely put it on there. So, or you call it veil or something that'll help catch these little, that's why a lot of people do the concealer after and the foundation after. Because sometimes that falls. It depends on what brushes you like. And I don't know, if it falls, then you can just wipe it right off. Okay, so I'm gonna blend with boop. Just help blend that in. This is real shimmery. Not everyone's in a shimmer. You can do this with any color you want, but you could do a little bit darker. But this is day wear, so all the same things apply. You just change the colors. So if you wanted to do like this color here, you could do that all in here and then do a darker brown. And I'm kind of like going out and bringing it. And then I'm going to even take some and kind of go whoop, kind of brush it up. So you have this little bit under eye there. And if you do it, it kind of creates a little smokiness too if you do it like a darker color. Don't be afraid. Okay. And then I have a little teeny weeny. And I'm going to take a very, 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 let's see, that one, sparkly color. Candle, it's called. And I'm just going to do the corners of my eye. Get in those corners. I love that. You can even take this if you want. You kind of do in here. If you want to add a little sparkle to that line, that right under the eyebrow. Mm-hmm. Okay, maybe a little more. And then, this is what I love. I have different things. I have a lot of different, let me show you. I have all my makeup in front of me. And the stupid mirror that keeps wiggling. So I have this Anastasia Glow Kit, or Anastasia, or Stacia, however it's pronounced. Isn't it pretty? Ooh, it's so pretty. I don't know. This lighting is terrible. Okay, so I'm going to use the brush I used for... I don't have a big brush collection, so... I'm probably going to use Starburst right here. Oh my gosh, you can't even see it. There we go, right here. And right up here. And then you want to use a little bit on the forehead. Down the nose. Some shimmer. Okay, what I love is the Bye Bye Under Eye again. So I'm taking the brightener. There's two sides. So this is my favorite, most favorite thing about all my makeup, other than mascara, is the brightener that goes under the eye. I'm a super fan of this stuff. I'm just putting it like this on my finger because this stuff goes a long way. I always run out of concealer, but I always have a bunch of this left over. I hope my lighting's okay in here. Okay. Who's gonna make that funny face? Okay. There we go. And then, mascara. I love this. Cabaret Premier. Cabaret Volume Mascara. I love this stuff. I got this stuff on Amazon for like 12 bucks. And sometimes they have deals where they do like a flash deal for like $7.99 or something. But, and then after this, I'm going to do a video on how to color your roots at home. Yeah, I know I said it 100 times. But yeah, my clients are coming to my work. I'm going to do like a drive-through thing. I'm going to come out and hand them, I'm mixing their colors just for them. Just for their, like their exact formulas. I thought they would be super happy about it. And, you know, then I can make some extra money. And then I don't have to fix their hair color later when they go buy box color from Amazon, which is what was sending them links to, because I don't know. People are comfortable with that. And mascara's on. I'm going to do fake lashes. I did buy the magnetic ones, and I'm really bad with eyeliner, like all crazy. That crazy eyeliner that's like real wet and you put it on, I don't know. It gets all smudgy. I love mascara. Here I am. Piling it on, baby. Okay. That's my, I hope this is, maybe if I show you with the, no, you could still see some blemishes, but what are you going to do? This is my mom look. This is my, try to look decent and get through the day look. Okay. Do you like it? Okay. That's it, folks. Happy quarantine, and I hope that this is helpful. I don't know. We'll see. And, yeah, enjoy your day. Have a good one. Bye.